Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to measure distance using Google Maps. As you can see right here, I'm currently having random maps right here, random places I just want to measure. And by the way, I just want to let you know if you're using a MacBook, an iOS device, an Apple device to be exact, it's literally the same process, so please stay at the end of the video. If you're using your phone, your tablet, it's literally the same process also. So again, please stay on the video so you'll learn how to measure distance on Google Maps. That being said, please choose any area you want to measure. For example, let's just say randomly I just click here. Randomly, okay? You can see the block that right there. And then I want to right click on that one. Distance to here. Making sure that's good. You'll see total distance is 93.96 meters or 308.28 feet. Now from the beginning, let's just go back again so you'll have it one step at a time. I'm gonna search Google Maps one more time right here. Okay, I've opened Google Maps and then randomly click on any maps right away or any location to be exact. For example, on this GT Private Farm Resort, I just want to click on that one. I'm gonna see a field location with the grayed out color. Right click on it, it went back. Sorry about my mouse. So again, and then right click, it went back again. So measure distance from here. And then once you see the black dot right there, just click any color you wanna measure distance from here to here. For example, I wanna measure GT Private Farm Resort to Bacolor Quarry. Simply click on Bacolor Quarry area right there, and you'll see that from GT Farm Resort to Bacolor Quarry, it's about 2.78 kilometers or 1.73 miles. Let me try that one more time so you can follow through. For example, I want to measure now. This is the home garden to Gugu Farm Resort. Let's just click on that one and then click on Gugu Farm Resort. Basically, just right click on that one, click on Farm Resort right there, making sure it's good to go. Again, right click on there, measure distance. Now the difference is if you see a circle one, you're good to go. So from here, Gugu Farm Resort, it's around 1.15 kilometers or 3,078 feet. Okay? That being said, that's how you measure distance on Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.